Making money online isn't as hard as you might think it is. Today, I'll be teaching you another method where we can start mining Bitcoin every 2 minutes. What I love about this is that you don't have to refresh the page or whatsoever. I also love how you do not need to collect your earnings manually. All of your earnings will be sent to your Bitcoin wallet directly. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you tips and tricks to help you make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever we post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Hey guys, today is another video about Bitcoin. So, I'm going to show you how I make thousands in Bitcoin, and I have been earning Bitcoin every day for free. What's great about this is that I didn't need to do a lot of things. Don't we all just love streams of passive income? Well, today I'm going to show you another method. We don't need to do a lot of effort. We don't have to be actively involved. This is a chill way of creating passive income. This video is different from the other videos because we will be using multiple websites today. I want to be very detailed in explaining this process so that you will understand everything that I say. That means I want you to keep on watching until the end and not skip any part of this video. I don't want you missing out on important details. I don't want you to go, "Oh, this is not working for me," or something like that. What we want is for us to earn money. So without further ado, let's start with the first step. First and foremost, for this strategy to work, you need to have a Bitcoin wallet. And if you don't have one yet, I want you to come over to coinbase.com. Creating a Bitcoin wallet is easy. It's like signing up for a social media account. So you can just come over to this website and get started. Another method for making a Bitcoin wallet is for you to go to this website. This is blockchain.com. It's just like setting up a social media account. So again, it's going to be really easy for you. I don't have to walk you through all the steps. Okay? So, all you have to do is click on Get Started and fill out everything you need. Also, if you're wondering, this process is 100% free, so you don't have to worry about investing a dime. If you're unsure of what Bitcoin wallet is suitable for you, then I recommend you to go over to bitcoin.org/en/choose-your-wallet. What you need to do here is just answer a few questions. Make sure to answer them honestly, okay? And then bitcoin.org will recommend the most suitable wallet for you. Whatever wallet you get or whatever wallet you choose, it doesn't matter because all you need is to have a Bitcoin wallet. Once you know what Bitcoin wallet you're going to get and once you've set up your wallet, let's proceed to the second step. If you like the video, make sure to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, what we need to do is connect to different websites for us to automate the process. So the first website is really necessary and you have to connect your account to this. This is over at faucetpay.io. So you need to follow this step so that this will work, okay? For you to connect your account, you need to sign up. And again, it's really easy to sign up for this. Just click on this button right here. You'll be redirected to this page and then you need to fill out all the needed information. Make sure to put in a valid email address because they will be sending you a verification email. Once you're done with that, click on sign up. Please take note that if you do not verify your email address, then this will not work for you. Before we proceed to the next step, I want you to comment down below which country you come from so that I could make more videos about making money online that would work on your country. With that said, let's get back to the video. Now we need to proceed to the second website, which is expresscrypto.io. Again, we will be signing up for this page because this is essential to us. This is an essential step and website for today's method. Click on the sign up button on the top right hand corner of your screen and do what we've been doing for the past minutes. Here you need to fill out all the needed information. Okay, so now you might be asking, what's the use of faucetpay and Express Crypto? So these two websites help us to earn Bitcoin without actively paying attention to the website. What I mean is, you don't need to spend a lot of time because they will do almost all of the work for you. It's June 2021 and the price of Bitcoin is around $32,000. I believe that you can start Bitcoin now. Okay, so now let's move on to the third step. This step will be revealing the website which will do the work for us. This website will generate money for us passively. Before I teach you the process of doing this, I want to make a quick disclaimer. If you skip this part of the video and just connect to the website all on your own without even following my directions, then the chances are you will have a hard time doing this process because it might get a bit confusing. I don't want you to get confused nor to give up on this. I really don't want you to end up there. So please be patient with me and let's go through this together. So this website is called autofaucet.dutchycorp.space. Again, autofaucet.dutchycorp.space. Make sure you type in the correct website address. The other website is autofaucet.org. And the last but not the least is autoclaim.in. These three websites are really powerful and this will help us generate our money online. So as you all know and as you might expect, the first thing we need to do with these websites is to sign up. So I want you to sign up for all of these three websites right here. The process is still the same as creating a social media account, so this will be easy for you. After you're done signing up for all of those websites, we can finally move on to the next step. All of these websites will also require you to validate your email, which means you have to put in a valid email address. Once you have clicked on your validation link, you'll be redirected to the homepage, which will look like this on autofaucet.dutchycorp.space. So to complete the process here on this website, you have to scroll down and click a few buttons. So right here, you can see that you need to have an Express Crypto account, which is the exact reason why I needed you to sign up for one. We will need that account for this website to start generating money. So if you already have an Express Crypto account, select that and then we'll go down here below. And as you can see, there are a lot of currencies to choose from. So you must pick the currency you want to receive, right? There are a lot of cryptocurrencies here, but we will be focusing on Bitcoins. So let us pick Bitcoin. Scroll down a bit and complete this CAPTCHA. Then click on Start Auto Faucets. Once you click on that, this is how the panel is going to look like. As you can see right here, this is mining Bitcoins right now and you can do this every 2 minutes. Now, you might be asking me if we should be coming here every 2 minutes to this website. The answer is no, because your account is already connected to Express Crypto. The mined Bitcoins will automatically be transferred to your Express Crypto account. This feature alone saves us a lot of time. Now, the last two websites are autofaucet.org and autoclaim.in. These two are pretty much the same. They work the same. And when you go to their home pages, you can see that they're very similar to each other. So there's that. Now, I'm just going to walk you through the process for autofaucet.org. Whatever is the process here is the same with autoclaim.in. So once you have created and once you've signed up for an account, this is your dashboard right here. Take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. As you can see, there are a lot of different options. Right here, you need to earn your tokens and points to start earning Bitcoin. How do we do that? It's actually really simple. I want you to go over the offerables or daily bonus section. You need to watch ads, complete surveys, and more. When you complete those mini tasks, you will be given tokens that you can use to start mining Bitcoin. When you save up enough points and tokens, you can then let this run in the background. It will start mining Bitcoins for you. But for this to work, you need to keep your browser open. You should not close this window, because once you close the window or the website, then it will stop mining Bitcoins. So it'll be useless. And as I mentioned above, autofaucet.org is basically the same with autoclaim.in. And with all of those websites combined, you can now mine a lot of Bitcoins. And I'm saying thousands of Bitcoins. And that's it! If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.